Hey there, thanks for watching my Traffico review by Dan Ashendorf and Frankie Pellegrino, where I'm not just going to walk you through this sales page or show you a pre-recorded demo like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into the dashboard myself. I'm going to take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy, and any problems that I see with it. And if you guys are looking for honest, ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below to see how we do it. While you're down there, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when our next video comes out, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Now let's take a look at the Traffico sales page. It is a secret that the gurus don't want you to know. They're going to give us a case study, and it shows how he exploits an unknown loophole by clicking a secret link to unlock hidden content. New software generates buyer traffic in 30 minutes or less. And here we have some very important bullet points. It's 100% free traffic. We're going to be siphoning free traffic from one of the world's largest websites. It's 100% legal, and that always makes me wonder, why are you telling me that it's legal? It's going to be a brand new method, and you're going to start earning as early as today. Initially, when you sign up for this, it takes you to a Traffico members area where you get your training. As we scroll down, we do have a small welcome video. He does teach us how to do a Facebook profile setup. What Frankie does in here is set his Facebook profile up as if it's a business, including an affiliate link. So he actually uses his profile page, not a group page or a fan page, to run his affiliate marketing with. He shows you how to make that cover with Canva. Then he goes through making different posts. He says to do inspirational quotes and every now and then throw in an offer. He does not mention any videos with his Facebook posts. He next goes on to tell you how to make money. And what he wants you to do here is to go in and find Facebook groups and make friends and send friend requests, which is the normal way to do affiliate marketing with Facebook. There is absolutely nothing wrong with that. But this is where it gets a little odd. So this video really seemed like it was just plopped down in here. And if we start to play it, you can see that it is a Shortify app demo. Well, you know I had to look into that. So here is the Shortify page. And if we look at some of these bullet points, they are exactly the same as Traffico, down to 100% free traffic, runs on autopilot, siphons free traffic. Here it says YouTube, but if we look back at Traffico, 100% free traffic, runs on autopilot, and here they tell us that it siphons free traffic from one of the world's largest websites. So they just made that super generic. But they didn't even bother to change up this sales page very much. When you go into their system, they again take you to a members area. And here, if we scroll down and look at their training video, their software demo is the exact same cat that is on the software demo here at the bottom of Traffico. Once we get down here, the software demo, that takes us to a whole different area and doesn't even talk anymore about Facebook. So my assumption is that we are to use the Facebook training that Frankie gives us and then use the software to actually make a video as a post, but he never tells us to do that. So I am only assuming. I don't like to do that very often. So here is the second part. Now we'll actually go into the dashboard. You can see it's video profits. If we look at the Traffico members area and hover over this app login, it says video profits.online down here in the corner. And again, if we do the same thing in the Shortify members area, it's also exactly the same. So they're not even hiding that this product is the same product. Once you come in here, it tells you to start here. That is one option. If you would like to search by keyword, you can come in here, type in your keyword, then you would click find video. That takes a little while. If you wanted to do it the other way, you can come into Video Suite and go to download videos, and you can enter your video's URL. This would be the preferred way, and let me show you why. If I'm going to have to go into Facebook to look up a video for Make Money Online, we'll search. They give us the option here. If you click filters, you can actually make sure that you are using a video with one of the 6 Creative Commons licenses. You have a much better chance of being able to use that video and not get a copyright infringement. So you do want to make sure that it is Creative Commons. And if you have to do that anyway, and you have to come in here to YouTube to do this, to be able to filter them this way, then Traffico actually just seems like an extra step instead of being helpful and taking out steps. You can see some of the videos have been pulled up, and there is nothing about them that says, yes, you can use this, it's Creative Commons. You're still going to have to go in and do the same research that I showed you how to do in YouTube for free. Back to Video Suite and download videos. This is where you would put in the URL when you get it on one of our videos. We'll go ahead and find that. Now that it's pulled it, you have the option to edit. This does take a few minutes to render. Once you get this video in, you can see it's a 6 minute and 5 second video. You're supposed to be able to take these sliders and then trim and upload. You wouldn't be able to take the beginning or the middle and the end and put them together, but you would be able to crop out the beginning and make this shorter or longer, and then you would trim and upload. You also have the option to go to Video Editor. When you do that, you can drag and drop a file here. I did just go find a file off of a Pixabay or Pexels. I know I can use that real quick to show you guys how to edit. So once the video is dropped in here, and this is just a weird size, you can add text that shows up over here. You can change your font size. You can also change the font family. You can add shapes for some reason, which doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me. What you cannot do is put any affiliate links in here. So you can put this in here, but you can't link it to anything. Again, you have the option to change the background color. I have not gotten the background color to change yet. You can add a custom GIF. And if you'll notice, this is actually for Shortify. So another proof that this is literally just it's not even repackaged. That this is literally just the same platform. Once you have done whatever you wanted to do to that video, then you would click save. And it does show up down here in your video list. From here, you can view it. Again, here on this one, I just put a box with some text, Shortify, but you can't click on any of these. And they don't tell you what to do with this video. You do have the 3 dots where you can download it, and you would download it and then re-upload it into your post for Facebook. So the strategy that they're trying to get you to use with Traffico really is Facebook affiliate marketing, which isn't anything new. But if we're going to use Facebook, we really need to know how to promote affiliate links on Facebook the right way. Here's an article from Blogging Lizard linked in the description below. And what I found most interesting was this section about affiliate marketing on Facebook and what rules you should follow. It is allowed on Facebook, and you must always comply with Facebook's advertising guidelines. Facebook is just like Google. They are interested only about the user experience. And when people just spam and put shady landing pages out there and offer get-rich products, it doesn't do anything good for Facebook. So they don't allow it. So if you want to do affiliate marketing on Facebook, you will have to follow their guidelines. You want to try to avoid making bold and specific promises in your ads, like buy this program today, lose 10 pounds tomorrow, or make $100 a day using this program. That will get your ad rejected or banned, and it just leaves a bad taste in most people's mouths. They won't click on it. You have to add an appropriate disclosure, and that has to be in accordance with FTC guidelines. And you also need to check to make sure that the actual affiliate program allows promotions on social media. For example, you cannot promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook utilizing paid ads, as it goes against the program's guidelines. And the same is true for ClickBank. I mentioned the FTC guidelines for appropriate disclosures, and there are certain things you need to know about that as well. You need to use clear and direct language, and they show 2 examples. So the one in black is a bad example because the word compensated is in the 3rd sentence. This is an unacceptable disclosure. And acceptable is the word compensation in the 1st sentence. So this one is acceptable. If you are going to get into affiliate marketing, you need to know your rules, your laws, your policies, and your regulations. The downside of this is that you can get your business shut down. You can be fined. You can damage your reputation. And talking about using other people's videos, I mentioned Creative Commons licenses. They are actually 6 different types of license. So if you're going to use somebody else's work, you need to make sure it has the proper license with it. Not just one is going to do. You have to make sure you know what you're going to do with it and abide by the rules properly. Now let's take a look at the pricing in the OTOs. your front end Traffico is going to be $17. However, if you're on the sales page and you try to leave, there is a 50% off coupon for you. So that'll bring that down to about $8.50. Next is going to be your front end bump for $9.95. Here, they remove all limitations on the software that comes with the front end members area. So apparently there's a limitation on searches because this allows unlimited searches. There's a limitation on leads, which sounds very odd, and then unlimited income. So apparently they're limiting the income you can make with this too, which all sounds very odd. Upgrade number 1 is gold at $27. And this is about the time I started noticing that their upgrades are exactly the same as Shortify. They've got another bump with $9.95. Their gold edition is $27. Their done for you is $47. And if we look at the done for you for Traffico, it is also $47. So these upgrades must apply to the actual dashboard and software versus any of the Facebook training that Frankie Pellegrino gave us. Next is upgrade 3 with unlimited traffic at $97. Upgrade number 4 is the reseller's license at $77. Upgrade number 5 is the profit blast off at $77. And upgrade number 6 is the VIP bundle, and that's going to run you $37. All total, Traffico is going to run you $388.95. Guys, I do not recommend spending your time or wasting your money on Traffico. There was nothing about a case study in here. Using a Facebook profile to do affiliate marketing is not a sneaky loophole. It is one of the largest websites. The 100% free traffic is taking the time to daily and consistently post on Facebook, find groups to join, make friends and network, and that's normal. It is 100% free, but it is time consuming. You definitely will not be making any sales on the first day. Guys, I hope this Traffico review answered all of your questions. If it didn't, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you out as soon as I can. If you guys are interested in honest, free training to learn ethical ways to make money online, be sure to go down to the description and click that instant access link below for some free training. If this video helped you out, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to see our next video, and thanks for watching.